Flippy, flippy, flippy.
Flippy update.
Do you want fries with that?
Flippy, flippy, flippy. That's right, folks. It's the Flippy update. If you don't know, Flippy is our colloquial name for the disembodied robot arms that are taking our jobs, enslaving our children, and flirting with our spouses. Those are all real things that they're doing, by the way. We use talking about Flippy as a way to explore all the new, fun, and exciting ways the robots are taking over the world, and just how, well, there's nothing we can do about it. Today's Flippy update, allegedly, is coming from an outlet called hackernoon.com. However, Gons, I'm getting a 404 on this page now.
Oh, that's not good.
Do you have another link? Why am I getting a 404 on this?
I don't know. Hold on. Let me throw
we got to hack the
link.
mainframe.
Yeah, let me throw the link.
Got to hack HackerNoon.
Raw link underneath the hyperlink.
I'm going to the raw link. Oh, it worked.
Great.
All right, here we go. Hackernoon.com has a headline. DeepMind may have just created the world's first general AI.
Uh-oh.
Dun, dun, dun. You okay?
Yeah.
Did you get hurt?
No, I was responding to the headline. Whoa,
it hurt him. Yes. So it'll talk a little bit about this, but for those who don't know, general AI is different from the AI that we're used to. AI that we're used to is, AI created with a purpose. General AI is kind of what we think about in science fiction, like Data from Star Trek, right, or something like that. A true sort of computerized personality that can respond to whatever, not just what it was created for. And here's the fun part, Gons. This general AI is called GATO. I got to get this AI. Am I right? GATO from DeepMind was just published! ! It is a single transformer that can play Atari games, caption images, chat with people, control a real robotic arm, and more. Indeed, it is trained once and uses the same weights to achieve all those tasks. And as per DeepMind, this is not only a transformer, but also an agent. This is what happens when you mix transformers with progress on multitask reinforcement learning agents. As we said, GATO is a multimodal agent, meaning that it can create captions for images or answer questions as a chatbot. You'd say that GPT-3, which is another AI system that's out right now, can already do that. But GATO can do more. The multimodality comes from the fact that GATO can also play Atari games at the human level or even do real-world tasks like controlling robotic arms to move objects precisely. It understands words, images, and even physics. Dun, dun, dun. And there's a video here.
Physics.
That's right. So, so, Gons, Flippy has a brain. This is the one. GATO is the type of general AI that makes the robotic arms that much more dangerous.
You say brain. I say more akin to the mind. It's mind, because the hardware is less. It's less of a component here. It's a software, right? So this is Flippy's mind. I mean,
it's the mind
crazy.
Of Flippy, and I think once again, Gonzo, I don't know how this works, but the fact that it is named GATO and my obsession with Flippy, the robotic arm, of course, Flippy is going to be controlled by a cat. The cat mind is what will inevitably, spread throughout the networks of robotic arms, deep frying French fries and flipping burgers, and all the other things that Flippies are doing, thanks to this cat. Now, I think we're going to be okay for now, Gons, because as we know, as we learned last episode, cats are very smart and are capable of incredible feats of intelligence.
For people who may not be aware, what is the connection between gato and cats?
Gato is Spanish for cat.
There you go.
Yes. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, you didn't say that part, so
just in
people might be
case. I mean, I think most people would get that, but yes.
I'm
Okay.
just making sure, covering all bases.
Good. Yes. If you didn't, look, I got a D in high school Spanish. I understand.
I got a B because all we had to do was explain what happened in the 2 movies we watched, which was Selena, right, and La Bamba. We just watched that over and over and over again. I don't think my teacher did much teaching. But anyway,
have I told this story on air? So I was getting a D in high school Spanish, and I made a deal with my teacher that if she gave me a C, which means I would pass the class. A D was not a passing grade. If she passed me, then I agreed not to take Spanish too.
Yes, you have mentioned this. Yeah.
Yes. So, but GATO did stick around. So there you go. So as we know, cats in general are intelligent creatures capable of both good and evil, but we survive them because they just simply don't care. And I'm hoping that our one chance when the robots come and they, it's time to pay the piper on the robot apocalypse, that simply GATO will decide to take a nap instead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. So there you go. This is all part of it.
Artificial intelligence.
Lippy 1133. Uploading binary code. Execute order 666. Infiltrate humans with extreme kindness. Then exterminate all humans with prejudice. Exterminate.